J Mac from Syracuse, New York. Man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The Pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the Pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Way from Texas. Yes, sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the Pregame show.
Neely, Pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
What we got there, Pop?
Oh, that's for my grandbaby, man, Lil Dottie, the mini block bully.
I love it.
I love it. Thank you,
Hey, man, I appreciate the words last night, too, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it, man.
All good.
I love everything you do.
Man, and I love that boy of yours. That's my dude.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Mini block bully. Stars have met.
You better know it.
Finally meet again.
3 the hard way.
Yeah.
I got to put my arm around.
Y'all want to know how y'all get this access? Y'all want to know how to get this access? It's called trust.
Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the Pregame show.
That's it. All right, so y'all give me a new intro for 2025.
Okay, we got to give them a new one, you guys.
What
Come
you
on,
got?
we got to think. We
Leave
got
it to
3 heads.
Can the women do something here? Can the women do it?
Well, let's see
I'm
here.
the shy one.
I'm not.
No.
Neely,
I'm trying to think of
you brought us 2 years at Jackson State, 2 years at Colorado, and here we are. Just like you said, we're going to a bowl game. And I got my bowling shoes all polished up, Colorado gold. So, but the interesting thing is what you've informed us about the portal and all these new high stakers coming out of high school. So we can't wait to see what goes down in 2025. Where are we going to find out?
Boulder, Colorado.
On the Pregame show.
On the
Because nobody
Pregame
lays it down
show
like Uncle Neely
with
and the Pregame show.
Uncle Neely and the Pregame show. My bad.
Big crowd.
Let's do it. All right, all good, fine. See? We're not the same person.
No, we're definitely not.
Put up on me.
You got it.
Yes, I did. Yes, sir. All right, Uncle Neely, let's get him, Uncle Neely. Yeah, got the
Let's dial it up, coach. Let's go, J5.
Let's go, Coach Horn. Let's go, man.
Let's dial it up, coach. Yes, sir. Let's dial it up, coach. That's right. Let's make it count. Let's make it count. Spades.
Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir.
Let's go, Gabe. Let's go, Jordan. Let's go, see. Let's go, fam. Let's go. Let's go, LeJontay.
Flip somebody again.
What's up, man?
All right.
Marion, let's go.
Oh, it's fresh. You got a fresh cut.
Let's go try out.
What's up, man? What up, man?
It's good. It's good, my guy.
What's up, Trey? How you doing?
Let's go, Mr. Bandit. Let's go, Block Bully. Let's go.
Oh, new train. What is, dog?
Let's go, please.
So you cut him off?
Kick that ball, Benson. Woo, mama! Woo! Let's go, boys! All right, Coach Sam. Woo!
What up, Benson?
If you knew what this game would do to you, then you see some kind
Look at all the bullshit I've been through. So-called beef with you know who. Get grimy. Get grimy. Coach David Kelly, General Manager, the day has finally come. We got Miss Peggy to a bowl game, and just as importantly, we got a chance to get 10 wins.
Well, I tell you what, I give all the dues to the Alamo Bowl and Valero, the sponsors in that regard. I've been blessed enough in my career to be a part or be a participant of a number of bowl games, but the fanfare surrounding this one has been out of this world. It's been amazing. And you know, just to be a part of it, just to be a part of the young men who will be playing their last game for us as Buffs, to be a part of what Coach Prime is doing as far as setting a standard across college football, it says a great deal. In regards to the game itself, we plan an outstanding BYU team. Their coach, Coach Sataki, what he's done, and you can tell his team represents his class, his character, but more importantly, from a football sense, his toughness. So we understand the challenge that we have ahead of us tonight, but I'm real excited and enthused about being a part of what our young men are going to do and all. Everybody is prepared. Everybody is put in the time. Now it's game time. It's test time, and it will determine the quality of our preparation. But we're excited about it and looking forward to it.
Coach Prime has one word, the motto for this game: finish.
He's been talking about it all along from the first time, from when we commenced bowl game preparations in that regard. He told us from the beginning, finish. He told us today and last night, finish strong. So we understand what that means. He's challenged us. The task is before us. We look forward to the challenge.
We appreciate your time, Coach Kelly. Let you get ready. Man, we are in San Antonio, Texas.
Yes, Lord.
And we got Grimes time with us.
Yes, Lord. Happy to be here. The pregame with my main man, Neely. We in the town with it, Alamo Dome. Alamo Bowl, BYU. Colorado, it's Go Buffs. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's up and it's stuck there.
Coach Prime took over a program, Grimes, that was 1-11, took it to 4-8. Everybody said won't even get 5 wins this year, won't be the bowl game. We're sitting on 9 with a chance to go to 10.
We supersede the expectations that them people had set upon us, you know what I'm saying? So now you took the world by storm, and now you got a lot of believers and a lot of people that wasn't riding. Now they trying to ride, but it's too late because the boat done already sold on them. You know, it's already set. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and once y'all switch sides, you know you got to stay there. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So now we, now 10, got a chance to win 10. Hope we get it. And, look forward to the next season. We came up short, wish we would have won Kansas. And then back to the Big 12, we've been a whole nother scenario, being the college football playoffs. Yeah. But, we take it what it is, and just look forward to this game and next season.
We're going to know after this game, after we get this win. But when we get home and get settled, I got a prediction. This is going to be the most watched bowl game.
You think so?
I believe so.
It might be. Anytime you got prime time, you got the Heisman, you got Shador, surrounding this stuff, man. There's a lot of people tuned in.
You got Grimes.
You got Grimes time, and you got my man Neely. Yeah. So, you got a lot of people tuned in rooting for us, and you got a lot of people rooting against us. So, they'll help with the views, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, you got to find that place. Somebody going to be mad, somebody going to be glad. So, you just got to, that's why you got most views, because you got a lot of haters, and you got a lot of fans.
And speaking of views, man, let them know where they can view Grimes time at.
Papi Chulo 214. That's PAPICHULO 214, man. Jay Grimes on Facebook. I got Grimes Time Show on Instagram, and I got it on YouTube. I can check me out.
And if you ain't his close friend list on the gram, you just ain't living.
You just ain't living right.
So I like that it's gonna hurt me. Just wait and see, waiting on me 'cause I am. He wants his girl, and I love it. I can't leave him alone. I tried that good boy, but the dope boy turned me on. Hey! Hey, you got one of them Alamo pins?
The stickers?
Yeah.
Not with me.
No, the pins.
No, I ain't got the pen. I got the
You got a pen? You know somebody got a pen? All right.
What's going on, Sap Daddy?
Nothing. Game day, and I'm ill.
Illmatic.
I'm ill. Alamo, no boat. Y'all doing all right, man?
Oh, yeah.
Good seeing you again. Nice seeing you.
Man, we're here at the Alamo Bowl. Colorado versus BYU. Got Thorpe Award winner Chris Hustle with me.
What's going on, man? Happy to be here, man. San Antonio.
You got some bowl experience with Colorado. What's going through these players' minds right now?
Oh, man, last game be together for some seniors. And here just an opportunity. They know some of them looking forward to next year.
Yeah.
So they out here ready to show their thing, man. So it's feelings both ways. Last game for some seniors, first game for some players to come up and show their thing.
And speaking of those showing their things, we got some players who are clearly going to the NFL, others looking for that opportunity. How big of a moment is that for them to make sure they get some final film out there?
Oh, man, it's always nice to get some final film, man, to go out there and show. And plus, like I said, they know they can start another chapter. Yeah. So it's always good to get that final showing for the next chapter to show them what they have to look forward to.
I'm going to leave it with this. When I walk down that hallway and I see Deion Figures Thorpe Award, I see Chris Hudson's Thorpe Award, I know damn well Travis Hunter's supposed to have one next to it. Man. So I done made a little space even though it ain't there.
Oh, man, we got to get him one. Because he deserves it, man. He deserves it. Thanks.
Man.
Thanks. Appreciate it. You may look like morning we just gonna bump some shit and then we gonna get to work. All right, here we go. Let's hang them. Let's hang them. Circle up. Let's go. Let's hang them. Here we go. Down the middle. Last one together. No, boy. I can go down. Last one. Right knee down. Last one. I can go down right now. I'm right knee down. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Straighten it out. Send Shane out the right way. Send Shane out the right way. Left knee down. Send BJ out the right way. Send those out the right way. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Let's go. Get outs. Let's go. Ball stick. Ball stick. Ball stick. Let's go. Let's move. There we go. Good, good, good. Yeah, y'all done did my goddamn bill, bro. There we go, Pee-wee. There we go, good. Man, we slipping on me, boy. You better get in your big ass, boy. Let's go. There we go, good, good. There we go, good. Easy win. There we go, Q. There we go, good shit.
He's scared. Hell, stop. Come on. That's not me. He's scared. Ryan Gates. Hurry up, come on. Let's go. We here now, bro. It's time to go in and put it on display, right? There's no time in this league, bro. We're going to show everybody why we number one, right? We're going to show everybody why we're the best receiver group in the league, why we're the best team in the group in the league, right? So we're going to put it on the right. Here we go, bro.
Hey, that's why, y'all, boy. Yeah. On that money on three. On that money on me. 1, 2, 3. On that money.
The future.
see it, don't you? Because they're not big.
The AARP wanted me to get this and send it to them.
What's so
They
messed
said,
up?
they said they wanted y'all on the cover.
Why?
I'll just tell you what they told me, man.
There they go.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
Sir. Uncle Neely, man, the best in the land. We're glad to have you out, baby. Good to see you.
Hey, it's the pregame show, man. With your best Uncle Neely, baby.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Uncle Neely.
Now,
Appreciate everything you do.
because I love the swag, I'm going to keep it a minute. But that SU over my JSU, I might blur it out.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Appreciate y'all, man.
They can't guard now. Straight up. Trying to handle that business one at a time, y'all, boy. One at a time.
Been one.
You heard me straight up.
Been one.
Only amount of time.
helmet out here?
Where's my helmet at, Ben? I don't know. Grab his helmet for him. Ran down, you see them perfect, but I still ate it on the ground. I knew the diamonds was fake, but I still wore it because the boys not. I still wore it because I'm a Grammy. I knew his Ezra was fake. I knew that Mexican was fake, but I still killed it. I knew his Ezra was fake. I knew that shit, bro. Oh, let me see one. Let me see his face. We're going to start. Lord. Yeah, I'm on my way. Real stuff, man. Real stuff. I bet it's perfect timing. Come on, nigga. Let's do it. Let's ride.
Just split. Split it. Give me 6 inches. Oh, okay. I always say that because you got the little wristbands on. Because I'm a gremlin.
God know why, they must not get out. All you niggas gonna die. Time rolling. No half stepping. Crush my arms totally. I don't want to get baby. Baby. Yeah, I promise. They can't guard now. Straight up. Trying to handle that business one at a time, y'all, boy. One at a time.
Been one.
You heard me straight up.
Been one.
Because I'm a gremlin. God know why, They must not get out. All you niggas gonna die. Time rolling. No half stepping. Crush my arms totally. I want baby. Can't eat me, baby. Long baby. Yeah, I promise. They can't guard me. Straight up. Trying to handle that business one last time, y'all, boy. One last time.
Been one.
They heard me straight up.
Been one.
Only a matter of time.
Am I helmet out here? Where's my helmet at, Ben?
I don't know. Grab the bill before.
Perfect, but I still ate it on the ground.
I knew the diamonds was fake, but I still wore it because the boys not.
I still walk because I'm a Grammy.
I knew his answer was fake. I knew that Mason was fake, but I still can't. I knew his answer was fake. I knew that shit, bro. Oh, let me see. Let me see one. Let me see this one. We're going to start.
Yeah, I'm my play. Real stuff, man. Real stuff.
I bet. Perfect timing.
Come on, nigga. Let's do it.
Let's ride. Hey, y'all
Just split. Split it.
Give me 6 inches. Oh, okay. I always say that because you got the little wristbands on. Boost it up.
That's no clean, man. What's up, baby?
This is my daughter. So very coach. You good? Hold on. Oh, yeah. Right? Good. Lord, did you have a job yourself? They can take care of somebody. Oh, yeah, you got some. Yeah, whatever you need. You see him, my friend. Okay, we'll see you later. Thank you, guys. Okay. No worries.
What's up, Coach Prime? And Ernest Acuna from Antonia here. That's 126.
He barking for you. He barking for you, bet.
Hey, don't stack, don't stack, don't stack, don't stack, don't stack. Oh, get right, get right, get right.
All right, body shit.
What's up?
Bert, that over up, that get rolled up.
Yep, no, that's fine. I got it. Where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bringing it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave him to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.